Bill Gates acknowledged Pakistan's efforts to combat COVID-19 pandemic. Iran blacklists US envoy for destructive role in Yemen humanitarian crisis. Britain and European Union have agreed to meet on Sunday to decide whether Brexit trade talks will continue. UN announces Ethiopia deal on joint mission to assess Tigray at needs. Peace talk between Taliban and Afghan government negotiating team will resume in Doha, Qatar on Friday after 2-day delay. President of Pakistan Dr. Arif Alvi says the government is committed to improve health facilities across the country. Tokyo delay coronavirus infection top 600 for first time. Space Starship prototype explodes on leading after test launch.